You've probably seen it all over social media. People turning their pictures into stunning Ghibli art style masterpieces. But what if I told you I'm not just going to show you one way to do it? I'm giving you 5 unlimited free tools to transform your photos effortlessly. And since you're here with VAGPE, we're not stopping there. We'll take these images, animate them, and even make them talk.
I love you to the moon and back, sweetheart.
So let's dive in. But there's just one condition. You have to stick around till the very end to unlock every secret. So let's dive in.
First go to x.com, then go to this grok option, and from here go to this attachment option and then attach any of your images. So let's try on this image, and here give this convert to digital Ghibli art image, okay, and then send it. It will take some 30 seconds of time, so you'll have to be patient enough. If you are serious about creating viral AI Reels and want a complete one-shot solution, then don't miss my Viral AI Reel Mastery course. You will learn the exact step-by-step process to generate high-performing AI Reels, plus access to proven model prompts that can skyrocket your views on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Limited time pre-launch offer we are providing now. For a short time, you can grab this course at a fraction of the cost, less than a dinner out. But once this offer is gone, it's gone for good. Don't wait. Click the link in the description right now. Now let us go to ChatGPT, regular version only, and then go to this plus button, upload one image from computer. So I'm taking this image, let's suppose, and then send it. It will take a while to generate your image, so be patient here. So as you can see, my Ghibli art is ready, and then go to download. Now at times it is taking little longer, so please do have patience, and this particular command you will have to give, so that also I will provide you in a doc file, okay. Next software is OpenArt. Go to this software. I'll give this link to you. Okay, take the image, whatever you want to transform, let it upload. So as you can see, you can skip it all. As you can see, I have got 7 days free trial with 40 free credits with a new account, okay. Here you will have to go to styles option. From the left hand side, styles option. Here you have Ghibli option. Just select that, Studio Ghibli, okay. From here, here it will be OpenArt XD which is the compatible to Ghibli style model, okay. And then here come a little downwards, here make it 1, here go to image and upload the image which you want to transform. Let's suppose I want to transform this image, okay, let it upload. So it will be of the same aspect ratio of your image, and other things will remain same, and hit create. As you can see, 1 credit will be charged, so hit create. As you can see, they are creating, so 1 credit is being consumed. As you can see, 37 credits are left, so precisely. Now next software is PixArt. Here I have not logged in yet. You can see, change the image style. Now I will take the image, okay. Now I'll take the same image, open it. So here as you can see, we have different transformation, AI style transformer. Go to see more,
Here you have an option of cartoon style. So I'll be taking cartoon 2 option. As you can see, it has nicely made it a Ghibli style and then export. But for free they are only allowing JPEG. So you can download in JPEG style, and later I will show you how you can upscale it also. As you can see, my images are exported. Now let us see the next software by which you can create Ghibli style. That is styler.ai. Start it for free. Open it with your Gmail or email account. And I will take image. Here I'll go to image option. This time I'm going to take another type. This time I'm going to take this option. So as you can see, my images are ready. You can simply go ahead and download from here. So now we will not stop here. We will do a little bit of animation. So we will be animating this. So what we will do is we will go to Kling AI now. Open Kling AI. Now you'll have to log in with your Gmail or email account and then go create. Go to Explorer. Go to AI video generator. And here image to video. Keep the frame selected and upload your image. What you want to animate. Let's suppose I want to animate this. According to me, this has come to be the best. So I'll take this one and open. And then finally give a nice description. I have given this small thing. And then here you will have to choose how many seconds long video you want. I want 5 seconds long, one output. And professional mode is on. You can go for standard if you're using free version. So I will keep professional mode and then hit generate. As you can see, my video is generating. It will take a couple of minutes time if you're using free. If you're using pro version like me, it will take lesser time. So just wait for a while. As you can see, wonderful video has been generated. As you can see, they're hugging each other. Such beautiful video they have generated. Now we will still not stand here. You can go ahead and download it without watermark. Now if you want to do a lip sync, let's suppose I want to go for lip sync. I will go to lip sync option right from here. And you will have to select a sound, whatever you want. I have given this small script and then hit generate. And as you can see, my lip sync animation is ready. I'll simply go ahead and download it. And this is the final result.
I love you to the moon and back, sweetheart.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.